On this Ford Focus, we found a broken coil spring. You can see a close-up of it here, and on the far left you see the springs almost ready to come out. This is the good side on the right-hand side, and you can see the springs in place. So this is our repair check.
Okay, today I'm going to show you what I do after work has been on steering, brakes, and suspension, and everything, absolutely everything gets checked after the job is completed. So this job we put new first struts in, and there's two key attaching points. One is this bolt here, which I'll check, the sway bar link, and there's the top bolts that we will check in a minute. So I will check the main bolt that holds it to the steering knuckle. That was good. I will now check the sway bar link bolt. That's good. I'll check the two sliding bolts for the brakes. That's tight. That's tight. I will now go up above and check the top bolts. And I'll check the top bolts that attach the strut to the body. And they were tight enough. So that's these three bolts, the main bolt. I've checked to see the hardware springs in place, that the hose went back on the bracket, and the sway bar link was tightened. So we'll do that to the other side. Okay, that one's good. Sway bar, good. Brake springs on, brakes in its pocket. Bolts tight. That bolt's tight. Everything looks good, and we'll go up and the body mount. 1, 2, 3. And I always tighten them just a little bit more, so I know that they're not jammed or anything, and that they're working fine. So that's what we do after every job that is involved with steering, brakes, or suspension, and of course all jobs are checked thoroughly. But I put a wrench or a socket on all parts of the suspension, brake, and steering components.